Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to tag in Instagram post. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left side, create option, click on new post. Next, and then next, and tap onto image, and now shown here to tag option, and search here your tag person. And then finally click on to share, then successfully tag in Instagram post. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.